What is the equipment of Benyamin Faraji? Some players asked me, what is the equipment of Benyamin Faraji? In Asian Table Tennis Championships, Benyamin Faraji has defeated Wang Chuqin. He also nearly defeated Lin Shidong. It's such an amazing performance. Here is his equipment. Benyamin Faraji is using the butterfly equipment. You can clearly see here, he is using the Butterfly Jun Mizutani blade straight handle. Blade, Butterfly Mizutani Jun ZLC. Forehand rubber, Butterfly Dignix 05. Backhand rubber, Butterfly Dignix 09C. He is using two butterfly rubbers, Butterfly Dignix 05 and Butterfly Dignix 09C. You can see it here. The two rubbers have the max thickness. He is using the straight handle, not the flared handle. Forehand rubber is the Butterfly Dignix rubber black rubber. If you want to search the equipment of any player, just search on Google. Please type Benyamin Faraji equipment PingSunday, and you will find it.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.